Welcome to today's Outlook. Today we will be going over Euro New Zealand, Dollar Swiss, Dollar CAD and Euro Aussie. Okay, so we'll start with Euro New Zealand on the weekly chart. Just recent support and resistance basically. This support, we have resistance here, resistance, support, resistance, resistance. So quite a key level. We've come up quite fast into this level, so we're expecting a little bit of a retracement if nothing else. Take out this low. We also have a gap on the lower time frames down here, but we'll play it one level at a time. So we have Monday's range high coming in here, Monday's low. So let's just box that off. So what I'd like to see is one more little push up, clear out these stops, and I'll look for selling opportunity around this level. If I miss that, I'm looking to get on board on a break and retest of Monday's low. Looking for here, but I hold trades to Friday, and we do have a little gap down here, but quite a way away, and we'll just play level to level. Something else that's caught my eye is Dollar Swiss. If we go out to the monthly, this most recent support turn resistance has what has got my eye. This level, so the sort of the bodies of these candles, it's not the cleanest of instrument, but you can see that it's acted as resistance and support over here and the whole way through this sort of choppiness. So we've come up into this level, just looking for it to turn. We've slowly grinded our whole way up. We have Monday's range, so a break below Monday's low, and that should be good enough for a short for me. No target in mind, just playing it as we go along and see where we end up on Friday. The most important thing for me is not to limit profit potential, so getting out early or setting take profits. If anything, I want to be trailing my stops if I want to lock in some profits. I just don't want to be collapsing the trade, because then we're just limiting potential profit potential. Dollar CAD is the last or second last thing on my list. I'm watching this level. It's previous Monday's midpoint, just here, acted as nice support. You see the bouncing off here, also lines up nicely with this daily level here. You see here, resistance, resistance, support. So a break below that, and it could potentially get in short. We've come up, we've swept highs, and we're in an area where we've sold off heavily before. So the path of least resistance is to the downside. I don't really want to be long this up into these sort of areas, even though we could potentially pop up. I'm not saying that's not the case, but what I'm looking for is a break below this level first, and we'll see how we play it from there. Okay, the last thing I'm looking at is Euro Aussie. If I clear this off and go to the monthly, basically looking at this level, resistance should turn to support. So logical thing for me to do is look for longs. We're just below this level at the moment, but I've got my eye on this level. We've come down, we've took previous week's low, so looking to get back above this level. You see it acting as support and resistance the whole way through here, and just to be extra safe, get above Monday's high then we'll be going higher. So we'll just have to wait for that to turn. But the main plays for me is dollar Swiss. I really like the look of, and Euro New Zealand. So we'll see how we get on with that. Wishing you all the best for the rest of today and the rest of the week. I'll be back tomorrow with another video. And yeah, wish you all the best.